Hey y'all, it's Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant and owner of KSC Commercial Cleaning Services. And this evening we are on a construction project. Let me go in here and check on the team. So we didn't start until a couple hours ago. We just, wait, let me shut this door, it's cold in here. Yeah, so this is a Bruegger's Bagel. And so got the carpets done. Got the carpets done, push all the stuff back. Behind you. Sorry. I thought you, oh yeah, you got the machine running, so you don't hear me. Alright, we moving right along. And then when we get down and around to this part and do this hallway, we're not moving all this stuff. We'll move this stuff, but we're not moving this stuff. And we just do straight out the door and then we're done. Alright, I just wanted to give you guys a little sneak peek what we're doing today. We got to do the bathroom. Oh, Chelsea's in here. Hi, Chelsea. Okay, so we have to do the bathrooms. Alright, we're moving right along, y'all. Alright. I'll let y'all see the end when we're done. So I'll talk to you guys later. Let me get in and jump in and help them. Alright, talk to you later. Alright, y'all, so it's complete. Yeah, walking with the superintendent. Get the sign off. Equipment in here. And now we're mopping our way out the door. All this stuff here, we don't gotta do nothing with this. We just work our way out the door. Alright.